Okay, let's see what we have in here. Ooh, I think it's time to get rid of this old stuff. I don't even know what's this. Oh, this is my Tetris.
Wait, what did you say? What's that? Looks like some spaceship control console.
No, it's an electronic game console.
A game? Can I play?
Not so fast.
Uh-oh.
There are no batteries. It won't work without them.
Give me a second. Batteries I most certainly have. Here you are.
Are you sure it's of the right size?
Oh, I hope so. Can you check?
Sure, let's see. Hey, it fits. That's strange.
Oh, come on, Sue. Is it working?
I don't think so.
Oh, my feta. Now, I want to play Tetris so much. What do I do? Poor little me.
Sammy, don't cry. Come on, I'll show you something.
Ah, that's interesting.
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to make a cardboard Tetris. And the first thing we need is cardboard.
A DIY Tetris? Sue, are you serious? Can we really do that?
I am. Sure, in our skills.
Do we also need batteries?
No, not this time.
Oh, well.
Okay, let's get started. First, we need to lay out the pieces.
Sue, I brought you what to draw with.
Sorry, but I'm done already.
Fine. I will help you with something else.
Friends, this is what you should get. Naturally, the next step is to cut everything out. Just remember to always be careful with the cutter.
That's not easy. You can always ask an adult to help you, folks. Besides, it's more fun to work together.
Oh, that's true. Alrighty, here we go.
I thought it would be quicker to use my slime magic.
What a great idea, Sammy. Now we'll make our Tetris in a jiffy. Thanks. And these will make a firm base. You can pause this video to take a better look.
While we're at it, there are lots of fun craft videos on our channel. So make sure to give a thumbs up to the ones you like and subscribe.
Check this out. I glued all the pieces together.
Enough with this thing already.
Okay. Next, we need one more piece of cardboard line like this. Let's apply some white glue to it. Now, we can put it together with our frame, like this. It's important to take all the measurements right.
Sue, can we add more decor?
Oh, of course! By the way, nice choice of color. Now, we need to make a few inscriptions.
Your wish is my command.
Thanks. That's it! Our Tetris is going to have 7 levels.
Awesome. Can we start playing?
Not just yet. Make this bright, will you?
Easy peasy. I'll do it in a sec. You know that it's my favorite part in any craft.
That's true. Actually, I like coloring too.
Okay, mine brick's done. But are we gonna have only 2 of them? It's not enough.
Yeah, Tetris game doesn't work that way. Ooh, I've got an idea. Hello? Uh-huh, that's better. Would you just look at all these colors, friends?
I challenge you to a line duel!
Ooh, challenge accepted.
Ow! Ouch! Oh no, I give in! It is all you experience with the real Tetris.
Yeah, right. Check this out, friends. We should do the same with every brick.
Wait, Sue, wait! What are you doing? I definitely saw buttons on your old Tetris.
What? Do you really think we need them here?
Yay!
Fine. Now, how am I supposed to do that?
Don't worry, it's all under control. Here, this will help.
Hey, did you just brought everything that's green? Oh, wow, that really did help. Now we've got some buttons here. Obviously, they are fake, but that still makes it more interesting to play our craft Tetris. Well, what do you say, Sammy?
I'd say you could have never done it without me!
Nobody doubts that. Just one little thing left. We need to make an indicator to know what level we're on.
Sue, can you smell that?
I can smell only glue.
And I can smell victory.
Oh, really? Well, we'll have to see about that.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're about to witness the greatest Tetris battle between two champions.
Sammy, I thought you've never played Tetris.
That won't stop me, Sue.
So, who goes first?
I'll be a gentleman.
Alrighty. Yay, I did it! I mastered level 1.
Wow! I didn't think you're that good, Susan! But let's see how you pass level 2.
Let's roll! That's the toughest. Whew, I thought I wouldn't make it this time.
This is unbelievable, Sue! What else are you capable of?
Level 3, I guess.
Hold on for a second! I'll be right back!
What? Okay.
I'm gonna show how it's really done! Let's see. This I won't need. And this thing, I'll put aside for now. Hey, you! Shoo! Alrighty, let's do this. This comes here. What's next? There you go! Very well. Ta-da!
Wow, Sammy. Just 20 seconds for level 7? How did you do that?
That is the most secret method of all, Susie. Roger? I mean, the Tetris King of Tibidaba taught me.
Well, I must admit you're a great Tetris player. Friends, give us a thumbs up if you like our Tetris. See you soon in our next video.
Take care, everyone. We love you.